Septa train.
Yeah.
That's on the inside track, or the outside track here.
Yeah. It's coming in pretty quickly. Oh, is that an express?
I don't think so. You're right, that's Pennsylvania, right?
Yep, Pennsylvania's gonna be coming into Pittsburgh, coming in from Pittsburgh soon. Number 42. So that's our first train. Is that the train? It's heading out to Thorndale.
And there comes a train behind it. There's two of them coming.
Oh, that's Amtrak.
That's
Oh, it's
Amtrak
gonna be a race. It's gonna be a race. Holy crap, it's gonna be a race. Amtrak P42. Oh, this is gonna be amazing.
Yep, it's the Amtrak.
Yep.
I'm gonna go right by the Septa train.
That was Amtrak number 42, the Pennsylvania for Pittsburgh. Woo!
That was cool.
Yeah. Put you on a cab car. Wait a second.
That's a Septa train.
Yeah, that's a Keystone set. Holy crap. That thing almost blew my tripod. Holy crap. Dang.
That was Keystone.
Yeah. Woo. That thing almost blew my tripod down. That would suck.
Did you get your shot?
Yeah, I did. It's still recording. That's headed for West Trenton, Civil Line 4. Huh. I was shocked that. Was that the Keystone leaser set, or is that literally the Keystone? Because.
Here comes the other train, Jeff. Behind you. Amtrak train.
Oh, Amtrak. Yeah, I am.
I'm going to be able to see it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to see it. Wait a minute, wait. There it is.